guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making fluffy slime for you. Very easy. All you need is foam hand soap, glue, this is edible, it's food coloring, something to mix in, something to mix with, and game, or type. Game was better. So first, and I might put food coloring in mine, but first you're going to just pour your glue.
Wow, you have really soft hair. Casey? That's correct. Oh, right.
I pour it like this much. Now you're gonna get your foam hand soap. Instead of using shaving cream, like I don't have shaving cream, you can use foam soap. So I'm doing like 3 clumps. And then you can mix it, so that's gonna make it fluffy. So I need to go like this.
Don't you want to tell me how you feel about me?
So just mix it. As you can see, it's clumping up a little bit. But you just want to mix it. But as you can see, it's clumping up. But it's not going to clump up just yet. Now you want to add a little bit of lotion to make it more stretchier and a little bit more fluffier. By just adding, it could be any kind of lotion. It does not matter. So it's really got clumpy. So I'm gonna add a little food coloring in mine. And I'm not gonna have it like to show like that. I want it to be like a little bit. Like I'm gonna show you what I mean. Just putting a little bit in. So I just put on the tip of my Q-tip. And next I start mixing. So it needs more blue because I don't even see no blue in it. Okay, that's like a lot. Okay, but actually that's not. That's pretty color. I'm gonna add a little bit more foam soap. Just a little bit, like that. Now, all you gotta do is pour a little bit of glue in it. So I have a little bit more in here, but I have to go get some more in it. Just gonna pour this rest back in it. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I'm just gonna put some in there. So if you want it more fluffier, you can add more foam soap. Or if you do shaving cream, you can do shaving cream. So I added a little bit in there. Might have to go get more. As you can see, it's clumping up once I added that.
Now let's see what you mean about needing the right pair of jeans. You better get out here before I shoot the place up. I don't need to be a pain. I know you guys are like really busy right now.
But let me go get more of it. Be right back. So I got a little bit more.
What is your problem?
And you're just gonna continue to add more.
Something's wrong with this horse. Yeah, there is. You don't know how to ride it.
And so
Just by the year my horse is fine.
here it is, your slurpee.
I have ridden a horse before. Oh, really?
And I'm gonna add a little bit more glue.
It counts.
And I kinda add a little bit too much.
Yeah? Well, hold on tight, babe, because this ain't no merry-go-round.
Okay. So I add more, a little bit more too. Because it got a little too watery. But yeah. So here's your fluffy slime. Without, what you call it. This is your fluffy slime. And you want to try to clear your pool like how it is right now. So it's a little sticky. I'm just gonna add a little more.
Now slowly put your hands behind your head. I was hoping you'd say that.
Okay.
I'll be back for you.
So here it is. Here is your fluffy. Here's your fluffy slime.
You gotta wake up, okay? Brett, look, I love you, okay? I have loved you from the moment that I saw you, please. I'm never gonna get you.
And then once it's done, guess when you're starting to knead it.
Are you okay?
Oh, jump.
Wait, how are you okay?
Oops.
Laser proof vest, babe. I hate you. Really? That's funny because I could have sworn you just told me you loved me. So you're
What?
gay.
Okay. But yeah, then you're just gonna knead it with your hands once it's all done. You have to knead it real good because it's still sticky. Like that. A little bit more like that. Didn't it? But okay, now I'm going to start to knead it. If you don't know how to knead, all you do is so you go like this.
Did you eat dinner tonight?
Mm-mm.
She didn't get ate all the food that Mama not cook. Tomorrow you gotta eat spaghetti.
Okay. But here it is.
Is that the marshmallow?
Here it is, your fluffy slime. So, go. Because it's very fluffy. you can add more shaving cream. Or foam soap if you use foam soap to it to make it more fluffy, like what I am going to be doing. But this is how you make it, and if it's still sticky for you, just add a little bit more. But this is how you make it. I'm going to be adding more foam soap because mine's ain't fluffy. Yeah, this is how you do it. So, bye guys. Yeah, so guys, that's going to close out that video. I added more gain to it. But I'm starting to figure, every time I play with my slime, I'm playing it on my wood dresser. But every time I play it on something like flat, like my bathroom. So yeah, it don't stick to my bathroom, as you can see. I didn't add nothing to it, I swear to God. But yeah, thank you guys for watching my video. This is Fluffy Slime. After this video, I'm going to be adding more to it, but yeah, it's pretty fluffy. And if your slime don't get stretchy, that means you need to add more lotion. And if you add more lotion, it'll get soft. So, and this is how you make a slime swirl. Just go like this many times. Then you go like this. Go down. It looks better when it's fluffy. But yeah, that is going to be closing out this video. Thanks for watching. But yeah, that is how you make fluffy slime with foam soap instead of shaving cream. I already know I got no shaving cream, and everybody use that for fluffy slime. But you can use foam soap. So bye.